Welcome to Josna's recipes, and this is how I make it. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of the loved dishes, dahi bhallas or dahi vadas. So let's start the recipe right away. It is one of the simplest. Anybody can do it. For dahi vada or dahi bhalla, I have taken 1.5 measures of urad dal. This is a small cup. It must be half a cup according to the measures you have. So this is 1.5 cup measure of this, and I'm going to wash it clean and soak it for 4 to 6 hours. And after that, we'll grind it and add few ingredients, and our dahi bhallas will be ready to make. So let's wash it and soak it. So our urad dal is soaked for almost 5 hours, and I'm going to remove all the water. We want just this urad dal to be made into coarse paste for dahi bhallas. So let us remove all the water and grind this urad dal to a coarse texture with little salt in it. So for these dahi bhallas, we need a small setup. Like we need this kadai with oil for frying, and then we need this bowl with little hot water than lukewarm. We don't want boiling hot water, just little hotter than lukewarm water. And then this is our batter. I'm going to beat it for some time to make it more airy, and I have added just one little pinch of baking soda in it. So to give that fluffiness, so that it will absorb a lot of curd. So this is curd which is beaten up using this wooden stirrer, and I have added half a teaspoon of sugar to that. So half a teaspoon of sugar, because the curd is not sour and it's sweet only, but still we need half a teaspoon of sugar. That gives good taste when we add the green chutney and imli ki chutney into it. So our setup is ready. So we'll start frying and putting, first we'll fry in this kadai, then put them in the hot water, and then we'll remove them and squeeze them. So then this next batch is also ready to go into the hot water. Look at this. They are going again, they are taking in water, and these are the squeezed ones. So let's use these squeezed ones and see what is our next thing. So I have arranged these 4 squeezed vadas here in 2 different plates. I'm going to show you 2 versions, one with quite a few ingredients. The first important ingredient is this curd with little bit of sugar in it. Then this is coriander mint chutney, which I made it at home. And this is imli ka chutney. Then this is save, and we also have some chaat masala and red chilli powder. So let's start with the curd. We are going to put this curd on these dahi ballas. You will see that after 5 minutes they are going to take up all this curd. And this curd tastes so good, you know. I'm covering all these vadas. Then comes our green chutney. Just drizzle little green chutney on it. Then some red chutney. And finally, some save. Look at that. Oh my God, it looks so yummy. And if you want, you can put a little bit of red chili powder on top like this. Now, if you don't have all these ingredients, never mind. Here, it's not covered yet. Here, cover this. You can also use just the chaat masala. We have chaat masala and red chili powder. I'm just going to show you what we can do. So just put it across. And then we'll use red chili and make a design on it. Look at that. So this is a simple version. If you don't have these ingredients, you can always make with chaat masala and red chili powder. This also tastes awesome. And look at that. Our dahi ballas are ready to be served. So I'm just waiting my family to come back home and try this. By then, I think these dahi ballas will be soaked very well. Just let me know in the comment if you liked it. And if you have any queries, let me know in the comment box. Guys, I'm going to have this. Take care.